Today we are installing a Tomei Uel header on the 2022 Subaru Brz Z. We are unlocking the Subaru Rumble finally. Woohoo! We are here with Mr. Alex as always and Danny. So this is Danny's place of work. We're using his hoist and his tools. He's gonna allow us to. It's been hella cold out there to work in the garages. This is what comes with the Tomei header. And I picked up a defouler also. This is everything that comes in here. We won't be heat wrapping it, but it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. Check it out, all the gaskets, bolts, everything. So let's lift the car up and let's start tackling this. First thing we're gonna do is tackle all the bolts from the under tray underneath here, and we're gonna access the header, the OEM header, and we'll be putting on the UEL header. So this thing should sound absolutely awesome. So this is the OEM header that we're going to be removing. We will also be removing a cat, so the car's definitely be a lot louder. I'm pretty sure if we don't use a defouler on here, we will get an engine light since there's no tuning management yet for the car. Hopefully the defouler works with this. So what we're doing right now is we are looking to see where the O2 sensor is, and we're going to unplug it just so that when we remove the OEM header, we can remove the O2 sensor easier. We've unplugged the O2 sensor, and now we're going to tackle the bolts on the header, and we're going to remove it. Shouldn't take too long. I have a feeling this car is going to be so loud, but it's going to sound so good. I'm a little nervous. Gloves. The header's hot as hell. Did it? That's professional, eh? The bolt drops right into his pocket. So what we're doing is loosening the front pipe so that we have some clearance to remove the header. There we go. And there we go. And there she is. Well done, boys. Well done, Danny. So it's pretty much legit the exact same thing, aside from we removed the cat, but and some weight savings. Check that out. Very, very cool. So now we're transferring over the O2 sensors, and we are going to try putting this defouler on to see if this can avoid the engine light. So we have 3 nuts up there.
And 6 nuts down here.
3 nuts up there. And then we have 2 bolts that are gonna go right here.
I like hanging out with Danny. He's good sometimes.
Danny, you're good vibes. You got good. Hey, comment down below if you guys want Danny in the video more often. He's got a pretty serious STI.
Yeah, bro. Get him in the video. Get him in the video. Renting my hoist right now, so you say you want it back.
Yeah, so then his STI can actually run.
Baby.
Big shout out to Go Wrench. Thank you for allowing us to use the shop. Really appreciate it. If you guys need a mobile mechanic, check them out. If you're in a pinch or you need someone, your car breaks down somewhere, these are the guys to call. Give them a call. Thanks. So what we're doing now is we're lowering the car and plugging the O2 sensors back in. And then we're going to turn on the car and see if we have any leaks. But aside from that, we're pretty much done. And then we just got to put these covers back on. And that's about it. This is going to be lots of fun. This is going to be hella loud. Definitely. All right. We're going to get the first official cold start. Jesus. Okay.
Yeah, with the startup.
That's not too bad. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
Big difference. Hey. Hey, I'm definitely gonna have to roll this car down the street before I start it.
Yeah.
So now we're just checking to see if we have any leaks. But it sounds pretty good. I don't hear anything. Put the covers back on and we're pretty much done, boys. All right, guys, let's turn her on, warm her up, and let's go for a drive, see how she sounds. It's loud, but it sounds good. It's loud, but it sounds good. See, it's not too bad when it's just chilling. Sheesh. The tint is too fresh, so we're just gonna kind of hear from the inside of the car, and we'll get some pulls and drive-bys afterwards also. Here you go, Mr. Alex. So it's the car is pretty warm, so we're okay. We can do some stuff. Ooh, she sounds nice. Some nice turns here too. It definitely sounds like a Subaru, but it's not too bad. Like, this is just like cruising. It's not too bad.
No.
I don't think, like, if I'm cruising, I'm gonna get in too much trouble. But definitely, if we're gonna like rip her, she's gonna scream. It sounds so much better. I am so happy. Oh, this is a big dip. Jesus. Get a bit of a launch or what? Let's. Just as. This thing just kicked out like crazy. Buddy, the actual, like, the traction control in this car actually does a really good job. So we're gonna put the traction back on. And then look at this guy. Hurry up there, pal.
This guy thinks Tokyo Drift.
It sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It sounds pretty good. Oh, these roads aren't the greatest though. Hey, could you hear that from in there? It's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's full watt. It's not like horrible. It sounds good though. Sounds good. The car definitely feels like it's opened up a bit more, feels a little quicker, and it's pretty loud on the outside. I'm wondering if, like, daily driving and everything, it won't be too bad, but so far it's pretty sick. The whole Tomei system is sounding amazing. Woohoo! Gee, she's loud! Damn. It sounds good though. So it's not too bad like normal driving. Sheesh! Damn, son.
We're having so much fun over there.
Hey, you know what? Like, driving normally, it's not too bad. I'll probably get a ticket or two, but. Oh, Jesus! Take it easy, man. It's loud, boys. It's loud. Jeez. Hey, any engine lights? No, it's too soon. Yeah. We'll see if it happens or not. But goddamn, there it is. Jeez. All right, we just got some love by homeboy over there. He says it sounds amazing, but loud. He is definitely correct. All right, boys, this is it. Danny, thank you. You're the best. Alex, thank you once again. You are a champion of all champs. Comment down below what you guys think. It's definitely loud, but let's see how many tickets we get. But it sounds good. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds really good. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once, do it right. Later. Some nice pops going in. Nice head. Question of the day.
Question of the day for the Loeb fan page. Should you go turbo, big naughty G30 coming out the hood, or just a shitty HKS? I want to fucking see a nice screamer, bro, coming out of here.
A nice screamer, eh?
Straight there, yeah.
Holy.
If anything, right here.
Cut the hood, eh?
No, right here, if anything.
Just a dump right there, eh?
Dump right there. That's exactly where he's gonna get 30,000 subscribers.
Right there.
First date.
First
The
date.
video. 30,000.
That 30? You think 30?
30,000. I'm telling you, bro.
How about that?
All right, let's start this.
Get the whole